Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be jumping back with the Zipfile module, working with the Extractall method. So alright, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. If this is the first video in these with this group, I'll start having the cards show up. What we did was we downloaded a zip file. That was the first one that showed up. And then the next one, what we did is we created a Zipfile object, and that was zip archive, and that's showing up now. So you are now caught up to speed. So alright, let's run this. And again, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we have videos coming out all the time. And we just build upon one after the other, as you'll see here. So alright, that's not what I wanted. We did that last time. Zip archive dot extract all, and you can see that. Okay, very clean and clear and easy to understand. Extract all members of the archive to current working directory. If path specifies, it will extract to the wherever you state. So you can put it in a different one, or if you just do this archive dot extract all, and if I run this, it's going to put it right in my current path. So let's pull this up. So right now it's none of them are here, but when I run this, it's going to take just a little second to unpack everything. So boom, now here I am, but it's jumbled in with all of my other stuff. That's not very handy. So now let's look. Oops. Let's go back here. Do this. So I don't want to go through and have to sort and do all this, and I'm really lazy. So I want this in a new, nice and neat, its own directory. So let's also bring in OS, because we know how to do this. So we're going to os.get current working directory. If you don't know what that is, guess what? I got a card for that showing up right here. I'm having a feeling that I'm leaving something out. Yes. os.path.join. There we go. And now, here's something that's very interesting. So before, we have had to use our mkdir to make a new directory. Well, guess what? Extractall does that for you. Did I get enough parentheses? So now, when I do this, here, names is not here. Let me make sure I got everything. Path.join current working directory. Alright, so now I'm going to put names in here. I gave it an argument, gave it a path, creating a new directory, subdirectory, folder, whichever term works best for you, whatever makes more sense. So now it's going to take just a little half second, and it's going to run through and go through that, and check this out. Now I have names, and boom, I have everything there that I need in its own little directory. And that is how you use the Extractall method, with an argument, with a path, and with no path. So there we are. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if this is the type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And please don't hesitate to leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. You guys have been doing awesome. awesome with the video requests, and I'm extremely humbled with all the awesome comments and support, and I can't tell you guys thank you enough. So as always, stay tuned, keep watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.